And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can speed up videos. It's quite simple. We have a clip right here around 15-16 seconds. Make sure it's selected. I use the default layout right here, and then you can find right here in the top menu speed. Left click on it, and by default it's set to 1.0, so it's the original speed, and this makes it around 16 seconds long. And you can now adjust the slider, make it 2 times, and now it's 8 seconds long, obviously. Minimum is 0.1, and maximum is 100 times the original speed. You also have this voice tone change, so if there's an audio included, when you speed up a video and there's audio included, it sounds like the chipmunks. You can try the option right here and see if that makes it a little bit better for you. But be aware that some values, for example 5.0, it doesn't run with this option, so only a couple of speed up values are actually usable here. But in our case we don't have audio, so let's get back to the clip. And we want to have a normal speed up until the car arrives right here. And when the car vanishes we want to return to normal speed. So we'll use our split tool right here. You can also press B, then create splits at these 2 points. Afterwards you can press A to have the select tool again. Select the middle clip that you want to speed up. It's 5.4, and you can see when I select another one the duration changes. So just make sure you are on this middle clip. Then we'll adjust the time for this only. Let me make this 5 times and I play the clip. So regular speed, now it speeds up, and regular speed again. There's yet another function right here under speed which is called curve. Don't get intimidated by it, it's quite simple to understand. It can be used to adjust the speed behavior or the dynamic of it. By default it's set to linear. When you use that it speeds up steadily, you could say. But you can also use something like this. So it speeds up a little bit more, then it slows down and then speeds up again. So right here in center it slows it down again. And this is what this curve does. Usually you want to have kind of like an ease in and ease out effect. You can easily recreate that by using customize. Ease in and ease out are just the terms that are used in Premiere Pro, for example. And a curve for that looks somewhat like this. So in the start it ramps it a little bit up slowly, and in the end it ramps it down. And this is what creates this ease in and ease out. In general, this was how you can speed up a video in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.